Okay, right now I must be audible. So here we are back again, and the first thing, as the title says or references, that we are gonna be uh, building the backend of Brainly. Like most of the things were already done, a few things were remaining. So let's simply go through that and get this thing done first of all. So this thing. Okay. We had to go through this Brainly app. This thing is already ready. Let's keep it on the right side. What about the other one? Brainly by me. This should be the main one. There's one more that I need right here just for the reference. Okay, that's gonna be the backend authentication. Which backend? To do backend, a backend that I actually recently made. Okay, so here we are. We can just simply go ahead. So these many things we actually did them the last time. Let's simply go ahead. The thing is that we are using TypeScript. That means we need to keep the types in mind. As simple as that. At the end of the day, maybe we'll making the code better because we are using TypeScript, so we had better just use it in the best way possible. Just a sec. Okay, come on, network. Oh, just today itself I changed the password of my Wi-Fi. Ultimately hotspot. Okay, can't really even type that. Interesting. 9. Okay. 9. Insane. 4 9 4 5. Get connected. Okay, that's done right now. We can simply refresh the page. We'll try all level base. All level base to just simply get the backend done at least today itself, and the remaining front end we'll be working on it tomorrow. As simple as that. This is the plan for now. Let's see how many things we can actually accomplish right here. Let me get some of the things done. Mainly when I turn the chats off, that's it for now. And you already know this is the second day of a 365 days challenge. In this challenge we are gonna be learning almost most of the things. At least we are gonna be done. Just the 365 days that I have. Never mind. This is the API error class where I have these many values, and these are public and read only values. That means they cannot be changed, but they are publicly accessible. Apart from this thing, we have the constructor in here. The constructor is simply taking the values, and in the constructor there are two main parameters: status code and message. Apart from that, errors, data and stack. It will have they are actually optional. That means they may have some value null or just some value they'll be just given. Validating here this thing object asset property of this new this top property. Okay, so what we are doing, that the property of this, that means the error itself, I think this sets the property. It sets the prototype of a specified object to object prototype or null returns object. Okay, it's simply setting the values. The object to change its prototype, the value of the new prototype or null, the value of the new prototype. Okay, so this is the object that we want to change the value of, and the property of it is going to be new.target.prototype. This is gonna be the actual value of that. That's okay. And this dot name is equal to this dot constructor dot name. By default the name is error. If I say this dot constructor dot name, so the constructor's name is suppose API error, so the name is going to be API error in there. As simple as that. And these things are pretty much simple. There's nothing to worry about. Again, I'm just mentioning it. This 2JSON is used for serializing the data, and that's what we are doing in here. So kind of everything's right here. API response, we have these many things. In here things are going on like this. That's okay, not bad. We are just going through everything. Async handler, this is the async handler, quite good by the way. What we are actually doing in here, that async handler is a function that takes another function as a parameter and returns a function with these values. These values actually, like, this is the function that returns actually this function. So ultimately this function gets called whenever async function is used, and this particular function gets those values, request, response, and next, and then it simply calls the function, that request handler function. So this is calling the function here. If there is an error, so we are taking care of the error like this. Return is to prevent double error handling. That's right. Safety serialize and throw any value. If that is not equals to API error, then I am simply gonna check that I'm simply gonna give it the value throw new API in terms of error, and message equal to get message, something like this. This get message simply gets the error, kind of an extra thing that I'm doing. I could have simply returned it. If that is a string, simply return it. If that is an instance of error, then return error message, otherwise a non error. That's again a good thing. It could have been done in an easier way, by the way. We could do it like this, by the way. If error instance of that, never mind, the first one is better. Later we can do this way as well, and then we are just simply returning it at the next, giving it the fallback. Okay, things are working fine so far. We have got this request handler. This is gonna be the type of that, and we are exporting it from here to, we have errors type. Only two things is checking as parameters for now. Simply the field, most of the time that is optional, and the message we have in here. Even the message that we have, that is going to be either a string or object, and that means inside this, the message we are actually giving it to API error. This is becoming an error. API errors type going to be an object. Wow. Errors type of this, and the message we get inside that can be string, that can be an object. What we are actually giving in here, the message that we are actually returning. So we have message, get error message. So this particular error, this is okay. So we are returning error dot a message, by the way. That can actually be an object too. That means for now we are just simply returning the string. That means error type, I can just simply make it a string in here. Like the ultimate response is going to be like this. By the way, if I make it the object, then I would get it in the objective format. But okay, for now string is better, far better. That is just a message. So this thing is done. The last thing that I actually need to work on, that is the error handler. I think the last time even I showed how a simple error handler can be made, but this time we'll try our level best to make it the best, as simple as that. So error handler is something that we have to make. We'll get all these values. That's amazing. Let's see. Let's write it the way we wrote it in the last project, and then we'll be going ahead. So this is the error handler. I'm getting these many values from the error, request, response, next function. Let's give them the type. Error, request handler. This is the type of it. Then we are getting request. Of course, we will get it from express. Then we are getting response. Okay. and we are getting next function. The main goal is going to be to simply get this backend done at least today, but let's see how many things are gonna be accomplished. Having said that, there are gonna be few default values. The first value is going to be status code. By default it's gonna be 500. By the way, let's see what exactly happens in it. Then let success is equal to status code. It simply depends on the status. There are many ways, and I'm just following one of the ways. Status code should be greater than 100 and should be less than actually less than 400. If this is like this, then it's gonna be true, otherwise it's gonna be false. Kind of anyway, it's getting no doubt it's gonna be like that only. Let message internal server. I will be just giving them the values too, but for now these are gonna be the default values. Internal server error, and no doubt I will ask AI to make it better. For now, let's go ahead like this only. So we've got these many things. Let errors. I think we'll be getting all these ones. Insane. Yeah. Let errors. We need everything. API error. Oh. API error details. Errors type. Oh, come on, how can I make it? This is the errors that we have. Errors, come on. Insane. I'm exporting it from here, right? Export the interface. Yeah. That was my bad actually. Are you kidding me? The type of is gonna be errors type, and the value of it will be like an empty array. I can give these values too. Ooh, really? Something like that. This is how we are getting the values. This is gonna be a number. Let's make it like this. Tring, tring, tring. And suppose one of them is string, one of them is a boolean. So if we make it like this better, at least I know how the things are working. Next, let data. What type of data? Data can either be unknown or it can be null. Has it been like this in previous classes? I have to look at it. Interesting. Let's see how I defined the data before. API response. Data can be T. I will give it the type. The type is gonna be the interesting. I'm just simply giving it the type. Type can also be unknown. Type can be T or type can be null. And then we are actually giving it the value. Type. What can that type be? Type can simply be user. User can be just an object, but this data thing can be array. So I will have to give array of user. Yes, that's not bad too. The type will be user, array of user, something like that. Let's go ahead. I'll figure it out whenever the right time comes. Unknown. Interesting. These are the extra things. Things can be far more easier, but okay. Let's stack. Stack is also going to be string. For now, it's simply gonna be like this. Any problem so far? Not really. This thing is done. Now we have to give it the values. If error instance of API, the error that we are getting, if that error that we are getting instance of API error, if it is like that, then we can actually give it some values. That's good. We are actually giving it status code is equal to, what will the value be? Error dot status code. Yeah, error dot status code. Success is equal to error dot success, any problem. Type boolean or undefined is not assignable to type boolean. Okay. Type of success. Oh, never mind, I'll figure it out later on. For now, it's working fine. That means the error we are getting, the type of that error is boolean or undefined. That means I should check in here. Type error, API error, and that is actually success boolean. Success is boolean here, but over there I'm just getting that the success can be undefined. Interesting. This success is in here. I will definitely get the values. What is the error? Type boolean or undefined is not assignable to type boolean. Okay. Try undefined is not assignable to type boolean. Undefined means error dot success is undefined. Success can be undefined, and then I'm providing the boolean thing. If I actually make it false. हाँ कल पासवर्ड चेंज कर दिया था मैंने. मोबाइल लो, पासवर्ड में लिख कर दे रहा, नोट कर लेना, डाल लेना. ओके पासवर्ड. मोबाइल से देख रही क्या? बहुत बड़ा है. डिस्कनेक्ट मत कर देना. Okay, by the way, this much is okay for now. Let's simply go ahead. The next thing is gonna be message. Message is gonna be error dot message. We are done with message. What else is remaining? We got the status goes to. Come on, it should work like that. We have errors. Error dot errors that we'll definitely get. We have data. Error dot data that we'll definitely get if that is an API error for sure. And apart from this particular thing, we have to check this thing too. Why is it like this? Never mind. If process dot env dot node env not equals to production. This is the most basic code that you actually need to have. There's no business logic right now. Console dot log error. Okay, we are consoling it. Logger dot I have been done in here. Never mind. Stack is equal to error dot stack if that exists. Otherwise, there's gonna be no value. Null value. As simple as that. And then we'll be simply returning it. Interesting. Response that we are getting, response dot status is equal to status code. As said earlier, JSON is gonna be status code. Then we'll be returning success. Then we'll be returning message. Then we'll be returning errors. Errors. Then we'll be returning data if it has. Otherwise, at the end we'll be returning stack. Errors. Is it okay right now? Well, we are not getting any error as such, so we can just simply go ahead with this. This is the error handler middleware that we have actually created, and this will be used at the end of the day. Okay, this API response, everything we have in here. Done. And the errors type, let's make it like this. It's getting quite crazy thing in here. I will create a utils folder inside this too. So types.utils, and inside it I will keep these values. So that at least I know, like, okay, this is type.utils. So types of utils are gonna be inside type.utils, and then this error and this thing we have in here. I think I don't really need to worry about anything else. Okay, yeah, everything got changed as per the need. I'm not creating these two utils folders. It's just simply like types of utils are gonna be inside this. As simple as that. Okay. Similarly, types of many other things are gonna be here too. it's better to organize them in the best way possible since the beginning. Okay, by the way, here we have this error handler. Error handler is gonna be here. So error handler handles the error. This is where we get the routes, and let's simply go ahead. This time is to create a constructor controller, health route controller. Where should this thing be? Also dot controller, so health checker. Comment, where are you? Comment. Oh, is that so? Wow. Holy shit, I like it. Let's have all this. I'm just having them to check how they work. Done. Let's see these many things I have. A wormhole. What is this? Click and drag, aim release to fire comet, aim for the black hole, and planet can attract reply. Oh, come on. What the hell is this? This is the black hole. I have to aim for it, but that's gonna be Are you kidding me? Is it kind of a game that we have in here? Huh, this sucks. I don't like this game. Wormhole game. How can I remove it? Okay, here we remove it. How about this? Umari, India. Umari. Let's remove this thing too. Not don't need it. Remove it. Give me 3 ideas. Don't need it. Remove it. And don't need it. Remove it. How about this? What is this? Which planet is this? This is just for having fun. It is just a visualization thing, like this is how the day comes and the night. Wow. So the day is coming nearer. Is this actually like this? Oh, never mind, leave it. Let me do one thing, play the music in the background. I can't really speak much.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll chase my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
That's good.
Alright everybody, almost everything's done. Just now the business logic is remaining. Whatever we had to do, whether they are utils or types, even routes, middlewares, leave function, what is there in that? Mainly it is used for Prisma if I'm not wrong, yeah, Prisma.ts. We are not using Prisma in here. The last time we used it, we are mainly working with the MongoDB, and Mongoose is the OREM here. Okay. So almost a basic structure is ready right now. We just need to work on the business logic, and mainly that's gonna be first of all about authentication. And once the authentication thing is done, even we need to create a middleware for that. Once that is done, then we'll be moving with the business logic of the app. As for the authentication, we will again most of the time copy and paste the things, because if we write again everything from scratch, but this time we will add some more functionality, that's okay. Even we will not copy paste thing, because this time the authentication is going to be different from the last time we did. Last time we simply took ID and password, I mean username and password, and simply verified the user and let the user log in. And this time we will send an email to user's ID, and this is how we are gonna be getting the authentication done for verification, of course. So things are gonna be quite different and quite advanced compared to the last time. So yeah, we will be actually working with many great things. And if you actually look at the code, if you actually see the structure and the way we are going through the things, this is the best practice for the, I can say, industrial things. Okay, so whatever we are doing, that is industrial acceptable as per the AI at least. Okay, by the way, that's all for now. I'm gonna be catching up very soon. Until then, take care, have a great day ahead.